Let's count the steps, guys, because it says it's 368 steps. So now we're starting to go down. Good luck sa aking tuhod. See, good luck sa aking tuhod, mga lods. Always good exercise. Oops, sorry guys. Nakalaag-laag. I hope you're here, Daddy. Let's see steps. Guys, I can hear the stream of the falls. I can hear. It's so cool. Have a look, guys. Have a look. Sige lang. I can hear it. I can hear the stream. Siren.
Wala pa, nakakuan pa ta, nakapinta pa ta ng stair.
Look at that. Look at the view. So ang among naglakaw may ganina sa balay from house mga 6 o'clock ta nilakaw, no? Ha? 6:30. So nakaabot na mi karon pa mi. Sa oras karon na 10:21 mi nakaabot kay syempre nag-stop over, nag-toilet. So nya di pa namo sweto ang dalan, so pa mo pag-abot. But we are so excited. First time nakagala.
Ila ka ni over.
So agoy dili pwede maghawid sa stairs kay ngano. Ang stairs nila udagan kay ayo alamigas. Nga mamaak ra ba ning alamigasan ni? So mag-careful lang gyud ka kay ngano. Hi, doggy. Hindi ka pwede maghawid kay ano, daghang kay lamigas man. Mamaak ra ba ang lamigas nila? Hello, doggy. So careful lang, careful. Watch your steps lang yun. Di ba ka pwede maghawid kay almost there na, oh. Andun na sila, oh. Almost there na. Almost na, almost. I can see the falls already. See? Almost na. Almost na, me. Almost. So, wala na ako nabilang ang steps. Almost na. Almost na gyud. Gamay na lang. Gamay na lang. Have a look, have a look, have a look. Sulit ang aming biyahe. Maagang gumising. Wow. Nandito na kami. Kunting steps na lang. Yes.
Worth it.
Worth it ang aming pagod. Have a look at that. Have a look at that. Wow, have a look at that. I'm so happy. Wow. So, ang view, mayroon ding pool na maliit. Then, for the kids. And look at the steps. It's so beautiful. It's worth it. Thank you for watching, guys. Time to swim.